babebhala nge-30. 13 shots.
Okay.
3 on targets.
Yeah.
That's 27%.
How?
Quality.
Hayi lezi ngane mayabuzwa amahoma.
Hayi mina le exam futhi zadideka nje le.
Hayi.
Yabo. Kodwa ke i-overall yabo yangoJanuary clinicality it's 45%.
Oh, hence 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, yes.
So ilokunja ingazi ze-Club Cup Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
Lidlala ama-match awu-2 le exam i-CAF.
Okay.
So indlela abenze ngayo i-performance yabo abayiwinanga bayiluze i-test eyodwa.
Okay.
Le enye bayidraw kushuthi le exam le uyayinika ama-marks ukuthi ufikile elokhunjeni kwi-exam
ezinye ingane zithole u50 marks nalezi yana zathola u50.
Yeah.
Akuzange kube khona ehlulwayo.
Yeah, akuzange kube khona ehlulwayo kwathiwa ngoba nizamile nafika.
Yeah.
So for ama-coast nani
Yeah.
sizikhona sokunika kona.
Okay.
So kwi-exam
oku 1 point.
yes, 1 point. So i-CAF exam le CAF.
Yeah.
NgoJanuary kuma singani. I-winning rate yabo u-17%. So ku-CAF ku-exam.
Yeah.
So iMamelodi Sundowns ina 17% winning rate.
Okay.
So ngiyama